Welcome to this video from MakeMyFinancials explaining why a single member US LLC isn't automatically tax-free for non-resident owners and how to handle Form 1040-NR. Over the next slides, we'll clarify reporting requirements, common pitfalls, and practical steps to stay compliant so you can focus on growing your business with confidence while avoiding costly IRS penalties. Many non-resident entrepreneurs assume forming a US LLC gives them automatic tax protection, but that's a risky misconception. The IRS requires non-resident owners to report US source income from LLCs on Form 1040-NR and pay applicable taxes. The illustration on the right captures that confusion, and we'll walk through what the rules actually mean for your bottom line. An LLC is a pass-through entity, which means profits flow to you as the owner rather than being taxed at the business level, so you remain personally responsible for reporting and paying taxes on LLC income. Despite what some websites claim, the IRS still requires accurate filing and Form 1040 NR when income is US sourced, and MakeMyFinancials helps foreign owners navigate those obligations correctly. Form 1040 NR is the IRS vehicle for non-resident reporting and must be filed annually by aliens earning income through US LLCs. Reportable items include dividends, distributions, consulting and service income, LLC profits passed through, and other US source business revenue. The photo of the tax form underscores that filing correctly protects you from penalties, interest, and audit risk, and proper reporting ensures accurate tax calculation. Here's how the tax burden shifts to you as the owner. Your LLC generates US source revenue. That income passes through to you under the LLC structure. You report those profits on Form 1040 NR as personal income, and the IRS treats you as the taxpayer responsible for paying tax on that US income. Understanding this flow helps avoid surprises at filing time. Common mistakes we see include assuming an LLC is tax-free, skipping the 1040 NR filing, misreporting income or deductions, and overlooking tax treaty benefits that could reduce withholding. These errors often trigger penalties, interest, or audits, but with careful, accurate reporting and treaty review, you can minimize risk and avoid overpaying the IRS. Filing 1040 NR correctly starts with gathering your LLC financials and documentation, identifying which income is US source versus foreign source, completing the required schedules and deductions, calculating tax after applicable credits and treaty reductions, and submitting the return before the deadline to avoid late penalties. MakeMyFinancials provides end-to-end support from bookkeeping review through IRS authorized submission to keep filing smooth. Non-compliance can be expensive. Base penalties for failing to file often exceed $10,000 per year. Unpaid taxes accrue monthly interest around 0.5%, and significant underreporting can trigger accuracy penalties up to 20% or more, along with higher audit probability and other risks. Proper documentation and timely, accurate filing are the best protection against these consequences. To reduce headaches, maintain accurate year-round books, track and document all US source income carefully, verify that your LLC's profit allocation reaches you correctly, file Form 1040 or NR well before the June deadline, seek professional bookkeeping and tax help when needed, and review tax treaties that may lower withholding or provide credit so you don't overpay. If you'd like expert help, MakeMyFinancials offers complete 1040 NR preparation and filing, treaty optimization, bookkeeping review and cleanup, IRS deadline reminders, and audit protection support to keep your non-resident LLC compliant and efficient. The handshake image reflects our commitment to partnering with you so you can focus on growing your business while we handle the tax details.